So tonight we're staying at the Forums Boutique Hotel in Riga, in the centre of Latvia. Actually, it's not the centre of Latvia, it's the centre of Riga, in the north of Latvia. Get that right this time. So yeah, just going to give you a full room tour of this hotel. And again, I'm going to say at the end, the cost of this one, slightly more than the last one. But yeah, see if you think it's worth it. So as you come in, got nice old style doors here. Everything's new, but it's kind of old style. It's quite good quality. Key goes in there, light switches here. And then as you walk down, little corridor, quite narrow corridor here, opens up into the main room. Got a nice sized double bed here. And got some pretty cool artwork over the bed. This looks like Costumes de la Garde Imperiale. So a nice little imperial scene there. That's quite cool. And over this side, we've got two quite comfy chairs. Well, they look comfy. Got wool, like a sheepskin style covering on there. Let's see how comfy that is. Actually, that is quite comfy. That's not bad. Yeah. That's all right. Nice to have two chairs. Sometimes you want to get one in these kind of hotels, so good to have a couple of chairs. And then over here we've got nice unit there. We've got a fake drawer in the top. Then under here we've got a mini bar under here. All right, that's looking good. How do you get into that? Let's open that up. And we've got a few things in there, a couple of wines, a couple of whiskies and some cokes and some water. Now, I don't know if there's, it looks like, I'll just close that up properly. Looks like there is a price list on top here. Let's have a look at that. So whiskey, we've got €4. Wines, got $3.50. Coca-Cola, $2.50. Yeah, that's a little bit more expensive than the last hotel we stayed in Riga, but yeah, it's a nice quality hotel this. And then we've got sort of welcome pack and information on here. Over this side we've got teas and coffees. We've got Nescafe classics in there. What's that? Sugar English breakfast tea. That looks nice, don't mind that. Some nice glasses on the old serviettes. Bottle opener, a couple of cups, good sized cups, and kettle. Let's have a look at that, see how clean that is. Do the kettle. How do you open this? Oh, how clean is. That doesn't look. It's a little bit stained in there, to be honest. It's not. I wouldn't say that's 100% new or clean. It's okay. It's okay. And then on the side of here, we've got a couple of side cupboards with nothing inside there. There's a bash on the old case there. And then over this side, we've got a desk over here with a nice lamp. Let's test that out. Yeah, lamps are all right. Some tissues in there. Nice big mirror over the top. Another quite nice modern looking chair here. Little drawer. And at the side we've got bedside cabinets at both sides of the bed. Again, nothing in there. Basic, very basic telephone on there. We've got some, got some lamps at the side. Those work okay. So everything seems to work all right. Seems okay. Nice, good size flat screen TV over here on the wall. Let's do that TV test. See if that comes on all right. Give that a press. LG. All right, come on. And yeah, we've got some funky dancing going on. All right, let's switch that off. That's cool. All right, so if we wander back down this side, what we've got, let's look at the top. We've got AC unit there over the top, which is good. Over here, we've got a built-in wardrobe with some mirrors on the front. Down there we've got a safe. Now that's a very little safe. You wouldn't get your laptop in there. You'd probably get your phone or your wallet or passports and things like that if you want to leave that in there. Nothing else down that side. And then on this side we've got, well, that's my jacket hanging up there. Little wardrobe space. Yeah, nothing else. Alright, let's have a look at the bathroom. See how it looks. Get some light on the subject. So this is very nice and bright. Whoa. Very, very bright. What have we got on here? So we've got some body shampoos, soaps and things on here, little glasses. Everything looks quite clean. Looks very clean. The toilets on that side. We've got, wait, what's this? Oh, I probably shouldn't pull that out. We've got some towels on top. Grey towels. We've got, oh, got another light up there. That's cool. We've got hairdryer here. We should test that. We should always test these things out, shouldn't we? See if that works. Yep, that works all right. Let's unplug that for now. Sink is sparkling clean. You can see that. Down that there, we've got a little, it's a weird little space, little cubby hole there. Don't know why that's like that. And then this side, you've got a shower. The shower looks really good. We've got a double shower, so we've got the handheld shower on here, and at the top, got a massive rain head. And that's, yeah, that looks all right. I bet that's shall we try that? Wait, oh jeez. Why do I always get soaking when I try these things? I don't know. Right, switch that off. Right, let's look. I don't think we'll be able to see the view at the moment because it's night time and it's extremely dark outside. So I don't know if you can see anything. We've got a little square down below. Actually, if I turn the lights out, how do I turn the lights out? Main light. There we go. Now I might be able to see a little bit better. So yeah, there we go. Got this little square, little park outside, tiny little park with some old fashioned street lights and snow. So it looks very atmospheric, very Christmassy. So yeah, it's really quiet in this room. If we can, that's got, I'll just show you this. This door is locked like that, so it's like a full width, but you can't open it because it's got some kind of security lock on there. Yeah, so in general, what do I think of the room? I think it's really clean, really bright. I like the floors. I'll show you these floors. So it's got kind of like parquet floor all the way through. That's really nice, like proper wooden floors. Really like that style. There's no kind of, there's no weird smells or anything like that. It smells kind of, I don't know, it smells clean, fresh. It's all right, not too bad. So yeah, so the price of this hotel was £65 per night. I think it works out. I'm just trying to work out from the euros in my head to pounds. So yeah, I think it's 65 British pounds per night, which is, like I say, it's bang in the centre of Old Town. Really, really good location. Reception's nice and simple. I'll show you that. Pop downstairs, I'll have a little walk around and I'll show you what's around. But yeah, very friendly when you come in, check you in. Really easy check-in, no problems. Helpful, they give you a little map of the area of Riga, ask you if you know where you're going, where you want to eat, things like that. So yeah, very friendly, very nice. Yeah, we should do a bed test. That is a good point. Yeah, let's do a bed test, see how comfy that is.